An education coordinator is a professional responsible for overseeing and coordinating various aspects of educational programs, activities, and initiatives within an educational institution, organization, or community. Their role involves managing and implementing educational programs, ensuring effective communication between staff and stakeholders, and contributing to the overall development and improvement of the educational environment. The specific responsibilities and duties of an education coordinator can vary depending on the context and setting, but generally include 1. Program development. Designing, developing, and implementing educational programs and curricula that align with the organization's goals and objectives. Curriculum planning. Collaborating with teachers, instructors, and subject matter experts to create engaging and relevant educational materials and lesson plans. Training and professional development. Organizing workshops, seminars, and training sessions for educators to enhance their teaching skills and stay updated on the latest educational trends. Student support. Providing guidance and support to students, addressing their academic and developmental needs, and ensuring a positive learning experience. Administrative tasks. Managing administrative tasks such as scheduling classes, maintaining records, tracking attendance, and handling enrollment processes. 6. Communication. Facilitating effective communication between teachers, students, parents, and other stakeholders to ensure a smooth flow of information and address any concerns. Assessment and evaluation. Developing assessment methods to measure student progress, and evaluating the effectiveness of educational programs. Analyzing data to make data-driven decisions for program improvement. 8. Resource management. Coordinating and allocating resources such as textbooks, teaching materials, technology, and facilities to support the educational programs. Community engagement. Building and maintaining relationships with community partners, parents, and other organizations to foster collaborative efforts and enhance the overall educational experience. 10. Policy compliance. Ensuring that the educational programs and activities adhere to relevant educational standards, regulations, and policies. Education coordinators can work in a variety of settings, including schools, colleges, universities, nonprofit organizations, corporate training departments, and community centers. The role requires strong organizational, communication, and leadership skills, as well as a passion for education, and a commitment to supporting the learning and growth of students and educators.